The Google Pixel 8, launched in 2024, is a thoughtfully designed smartphone, combining Google's expertise in AI and photography with a compact and user-friendly design. Here's an in-depth look at the phone across its key aspects. Design and build. The Pixel 8 takes a minimalist approach, maintaining Google's signature camera bar but with more refined, rounded corners compared to its predecessor. The device is slightly smaller and lighter than the Pixel 7, weighing 187 g and measuring 150.5 x 70.8 x 8.9 mm, making it more ergonomic and comfortable for one-handed use. While the phone feels great in the hand, offering excellent build quality with a glass back and aluminum frame, the limited color options obsidian, hazel, and rose might feel uninspired to some users. Despite its glass back, the Pixel 8 remains relatively easy to grip, especially with the camera bar providing additional support. It also features IP68 water and dust resistance, ensuring durability in challenging environments. Display. One of the standout features of the Pixel 8 is its 6.2-inch Actua OLED display. While it's a minor size reduction from the Pixel 7's display, Google has upgraded the brightness to reach a peak of 2000 nits, making it extremely vibrant and easy to view in bright conditions. The Pixel 8 finally supports a 120Hz refresh rate, enhancing smoothness when scrolling or navigating through apps. Although the Pixel 8 lacks the adaptive LTPO technology found in its Pro counterpart, which can adjust refresh rates dynamically, the inclusion of 120Hz still feels like a much-needed upgrade. This display strikes a balance between sharpness and color accuracy, offering a 1080x2400 resolution. It's ideal for both media consumption and general use, with colors appearing vibrant yet natural. Watching videos or playing games feels fluid, and the OLED's contrast levels ensure deep blacks and excellent color reproduction. For those who frequently use their phone outdoors or in bright environments, the screen's peak brightness is a notable improvement, ensuring the Pixel 8 stays readable in almost any lighting condition. Performance. At the heart of the Pixel 8 is the Google Tensor G3 chip, a custom-built processor developed by Google. This third iteration of Google's chipset focuses on improving AI tasks, machine learning capabilities, and everyday performance. The chip is paired with 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and either 128 GB or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which ensures smooth multitasking and fast data access. The Tensor G3 brings noticeable improvements in AI-driven tasks, such as photo processing, speech recognition, and real-time language translation. The device runs on Android 14 out of the box, benefiting from Google's latest software optimizations and a clean user interface with 7 years of guaranteed software updates. This long-term support is one of Pixel's strong points, ensuring that the device remains relevant with new features and security updates far into the future. In terms of general performance, the Pixel 8 handles most tasks with ease. Whether browsing the web, streaming media, or playing games, the phone delivers a consistently smooth experience. While it may not reach the same raw processing power as some of its competitors with Qualcomm Snapdragon chips, the Tensor G3 is more than capable of meeting the needs of the average user, especially those who rely heavily on Google's ecosystem of services and AI-powered features. Cameras have long been the hallmark of Google's Pixel series, and the Pixel 8 continues this tradition with an impressive camera setup. The 50MP main sensor f/1.68 is equipped with optical image stabilization OIS and offers an 82-degree field of view, ensuring that users capture detailed, crisp photos across a variety of conditions. Google has further improved its computational photography algorithms, resulting in more lifelike images with accurate colors, balanced exposure, and enhanced low-light performance. The 12MP ultra-wide camera f/2.2 provides a 125.8-degree field of view, great for capturing landscapes or group shots. While the ultra-wide camera is good, it's not as revolutionary as the main camera, and some competitors in this price range offer more advanced ultra-wide features, like higher megapixel counts or better low-light capabilities. For selfie enthusiasts, the 10.5MP front camera f/2.2 with a 95-degree field of view ensures wide, sharp selfies ideal for group shots or video calls. Portrait mode remains a highlight on the Pixel 8, with edge detection and background blur improvements making it easier to take professional-looking photos without much effort. Video recording on the Pixel 8 supports 4K at 60 FPS, with both the rear and front cameras. Google's AI-driven features like cinematic blur and night sight video further enhance video quality, providing users with more creative control over their shots. Google continues to push its AI capabilities in the Pixel 8, with features like Photo Unblur and Magic Editor offering users even more control over their photos. These AI-powered editing tools allow users to refine photos by removing blur, adjusting lighting, or even repositioning subjects within the frame. Voice recognition and translation are also improved, with assistant voice typing getting faster and more accurate thanks to the Tensor G3. Real-time translation and text-to-speech features are particularly useful for users who travel or frequently communicate across languages. Additionally, the Pixel 8's security features have been upgraded, with face unlock and an in-display fingerprint sensor offering reliable and fast biometric authentication. The Pixel 8 is equipped with a 4575 mAh battery, which provides all-day usage for most users. In terms of charging, the phone supports 27W wired charging, and though it may not be as fast as some of its rivals, it's sufficient for topping up the battery quickly. There's also support for 18W wireless charging and 12W Qi wireless charging, though again, it's slower compared to competitors like OnePlus or Samsung. While battery life will depend on how intensively the device is used, the optimizations in Android 14 and the efficiency of the Tensor G3 help ensure that the Pixel 8 can comfortably last through a full day of typical usage. The Google Pixel 8 is a compelling device for those who prioritize a clean Android experience, excellent camera performance, and AI-driven features. Its compact design, bright display, and solid build quality make it a joy to use daily. While it may not boast the raw power of other flagship devices, the Pixel 8's focus on AI enhancements and photography makes it a strong contender for anyone looking for a well-rounded smartphone that will stay relevant for years to come. With 7 years of software support, the Pixel 8 offers longevity that few Android phones can match.